Hey everyone, Nick here from House Buyers of America. Are you stuck with a house that needs some serious TLC and wondering how to sell it quickly without losing your mind or your wallet? You're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down how to sell a house that needs repairs fast and easy. Whether it's a leaky roof, outdated wiring, or a kitchen that's straight out of the 80s, I'll share exactly what to do to get your home sold without breaking the bank. We're going to talk about 5 steps to get your house sold in any condition. Those steps include 1, assessing the damage, 2, deciding how to sell. We'll discuss several options that you have. 3, setting the right price. 4, marketing your property effectively. And 5, negotiating like a pro. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more real estate tips and tricks. And check out the description below for links to our blogs with even more helpful info. Now let's get started. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Why is it so hard to sell a house that needs repairs? Here's the truth. Buyers are picky. Most buyers want a move-in ready home. I mean, think about it. For you and your family, do you want to move them into a dumpy home that needs a lot of work? Probably not. According to the National Association of Realtors, 71% of home buyers are looking for properties in good condition, especially first-time home buyers. Repairs mean risk. For buyers, an older roof or a broken HVAC system can feel like a ticking time bomb, and they don't want to deal with unexpected costs. Let's face it, most folks are living paycheck to paycheck, so an unexpected $10,000 HVAC replacement could really break the piggy bank for a lot of folks. Financing issues. Some mortgage lenders won't approve loans for homes with major structural and safety issues. But don't worry, there are ways to work around these challenges and get your house sold fast. So let's dive into them. So step 1, assess the damage. Before you start panicking, take a deep breath. The first step is figuring out exactly what you're dealing with. Here's how to do it. Get a professional home inspection. Hire an inspector to evaluate the condition of your home. They'll point out everything you need from minor cosmetics to major structural problems. Number 2, prioritize repairs. Not all repairs are created equal. Focus on fixing the big ticket items that could scare away buyers like roof damage, plumbing or electrical issues, mold or water damage, or foundation cracks. Here's a pro tip. If you don't have the budget to fix everything, don't sweat it. Some buyers are okay with taking on the repairs if the price is right. Step 2, decide how to sell. Next, you need to figure out the best way to sell your home. And trust me, you've got options. Option 1, sell your house as is to a cash buyer. This is the easiest way to sell your house that needs repairs. Cash buyers like us at House Buyers of America will purchase your house as is no matter what the condition. Here's why this works. There's no need for costly repairs or renovations. There's no waiting for financing. Cash means quick closings. There's less stress and fewer contingencies in the process. In fact, one of our past clients, William White Jr., found himself in this exact situation. He needed to relocate quickly and was overwhelmed by the repairs in his home required. With outdated appliances, dirty carpets, bright, ugly paint colors, it wasn't attracting traditional buyers. William chose to sell to House Buyers of America, and within 24 hours of his inquiry, we provided a no-obligation cash offer. He was able to close the sale within 30 days without the hassle of repairs, inspections, or hidden fees. House Buyers handled everything for him, including the legal and financial details, so he could focus on his move. Second option is list on the open market. If you want to maximize your profit, you could list the home on the MLS. But keep in mind, you're going to need to make some repairs to attract buyers and be prepared for longer timelines and negotiation headaches. Step 3, set the right price. All right, so now you've decided how you're going to sell. Now let's talk about pricing your home. This is key. Be realistic. Homes that need repairs usually sell for less than move-in ready properties. But don't let that discourage you. Pricing your home fairly will attract serious buyers and save you time and save you a lot of money. Get a comparative market analysis or a CMA. A CMA will show you what similar homes in your area are selling for. Work with a real estate professional or check online tools to get a ballpark figure. Here's a pro tip. Transparency is your friend. Be upfront about your home's condition and price it accordingly. Buyers appreciate honesty, and it'll save you time from long, drawn-out negotiations. Buyers will trust you more. And believe me, they're going to find out these condition issues one way or another, and they're going to ask for a price reduction later. So if you're just upfront about it, It'll save you a lot of time and negotiating haggles along the way. Step 4, market the property effectively. Now that your home is priced, it's time to get the word out. Even fixer-uppers deserve a great marketing plan. Highlight the potential. Sure, the house might need some love. That doesn't mean it doesn't lack charm. Use your listing description to highlight the unique features like a great lot size or a great location or potential for customization. You're selling the dream, not just a house. Showcase the possibilities. If you can, provide a rendering of what the home could look like after renovations. This helps buyers envision the potential. Leverage online platforms. Did you know that 97% of home buyers start their search online? That stat comes straight from National Association of Realtors, so make sure that your home is listed on popular platforms with high-quality photos and compelling descriptions. Step 5, negotiate like a pro. All right, you've got a buyer on the line. Now what? Negotiating is where things can get a little tricky, especially when repairs are involved. Be prepared for requests. Buyers might ask for repair credits or price reductions after the inspection. Decide in advance how much you're willing to negotiate and be reasonable. Offer incentives. If you don't want to lower your price, consider offering incentives like covering closing costs, providing a home warranty, offering repair credits. Pro tip, stay flexible. The goal is to close the deal without losing your money and your sanity. In every negotiation, there's a little give and take. That's normal. Not every hill is worth dying on. Remember that. So decide what's really important to you. Focus on those things. You might have to give up some other little minor negotiating points. When to call the pros. Selling a house that needs repairs can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. If you don't have the time, money, or resources to tackle repairs, a cash buyer is the perfect solution. Cash buyers like us at House Buyers of America specialize in purchasing homes as is, no matter what their condition. Whether it's a leaky roof, outdated wiring, or a foundation issue, they'll handle it all so you don't have to. Here's why working with a cash buyer is a game changer. 1, no repairs needed. Forget the stress of fixing up your house. They'll buy it in its current state. Quick closings. With a cash offer, there's no waiting on financing or dealing with lengthy negotiations. You have a stress-free process. A good cash buyer handles everything from the offer to the closing paperwork, making the sale as easy as possible for you. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to selling your house that needs repairs. Fast and easy. Whether you're going with a cash buyer or listing the house on the market, the key is knowing your options and staying realistic about your home's value. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description for our blog post on this topic. It's packed with additional tips and resources to help you through the process. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to House Buyers of America for more real estate advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.